John Disney, cymryd y gic yn fyr ac yna, yn codi'r bel, teg at y postyn pella, a Ben Nash oedd yno i roi'r tîm cartra ar y blaen. Pedwaredd gol Ben Nash o'r tymor. Cic osod oedd yn amlwg wedi cael ei threfnu ar y maes ymarfer. Callum Morris, nôl at Harrington. Harrington yn croesi tuag at Michael Wilde. A peniad Wilde yn cael ei chlirio oddi ar y llinell gan Emlyn Lewis. Cei Connah fodfeddi o fynd dwy ar y blaen. Nash. Can fod Hayes. Hayes tu mewn tuag at Paulo Mendes. Cosbyn o gynta. Lewis Rhys. Wrth yr llyman pellant yn y bel yn ôl at Baker. Elliot Evans! A fe darodd rhif 7 Met Caerdydd honna'n dda. Ac arbediad holl bwysig gan Andy Firth. Brackley'n brwydro efo Craven. Curo Craven, ond yr rhedag yn syth i mewn i Kyle McCarthy. Cyfla i'r myfyriwr dorri rwan. Ac ergyd o bell gan Lewis Rhys yn dod â Met Caerdydd yn gyfartal. A fe darodd o'r bel ar yr hanner foli yn wych. 5 munud fu na i'w ychwanegu a ddiwedd y 90. Harrington, Cadalamin i flaen, y Disney tu allan efo Harrington yn troi tu fewn, a'i ergyd o'n cymryd gwiriad ac yn canfod cefn y rwyd. Tor calon i'r ymwelwyr ac wrth i ni fynd i mewn i'r amser am anafiadau ar ddiwedd y 90. Mae Cei Connah wedi mynd nôl ar y blaen.
Yeah, we felt it would be a big win no matter how it come. You know, it was a must-win game for us today. You're right, we have had a difficult run, and I think that if you have a look back at the goals we've conceded over the last few weeks, I think every goal that's gone in, by maybe one, has been a bit of a worldie. And you know, a once-in-a-season strike, and obviously we've had another one here today. But full credit to the lads, you know, they work hard, they're a solid group. We know what we're going to get from them week in, week out. You know, they train to their max every single training session that we put on for them. And they've obviously done exactly the same, gone right to the end today, got their just rewards. You know, obviously, yeah, there was a deflection on it, but, you know, sometimes you get that little bit of luck for working as hard as you do. And obviously today, you know, we earned that little bit of luck, I feel.
Ar ôl sgori gol i ddod nôl 1-1, a ni oedd yn edrych fel y tîm oedd yn mynd i sgor y nesaf. Oedd golgeidfa nhw wedi wneud arbediad arbennig gan off shot Elliot Evans. A ni oedd yn warin yn hanner nhw. A pob clod i chwaraewyr ni, ail hanner fi'n credu o'n i'n briliant. Hanner gyntaf fi'n credu mi allwn ni wedi bod yn well. Ddim yn ennill y peli gyntaf, yr ail peli a pethau fel yna, ond ail hanner fi ffili helpu o'n meddwl dylen ni wedi cael o le point allan o'r gêm na.
You don't score very often, so when they do come along, I suppose it's very nice that the goal is as important as that one was this afternoon.
Yeah, of course. I mean, it's one of them. I think out of the team, I think I probably had the most shots out of everyone. But no, it was a really important goal. You know, whoever scored it, I think it was needed. Obviously, we needed the win. It was massive for that, and I'm just glad to have got the goal.